How to create clip mashup for Facebook story with multiple photos or videos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on create a story after you've logged into your account. Click on create story and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find all your photos and videos from gallery if you have given access. Simply select multiple and then select two pictures or many pictures you want, or simply video, then press on next and you'll find clip mashup on bottom right corner of your screen. Click on clip mashup and Facebook will mash up those pictures or videos and turn it into a mashup. After you've done that, simply add it to your story or simply post it anywhere you want. As you can see, you can also add songs. This is how to create clip mashup on Facebook story with multiple photos or videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for joining.